This distinguished asterism once stood tall in the night sky, but is now slowly sinking into the west. My name's Jim Bader, and this week we're talking about the Summer Triangle, Part 2. Welcome everyone to UTA Planetarium's weekly night sky. The Summer Triangle is a well-known asterism that's made up of the constellations Lyra, Cygnus, and Aquila. While it is most prominently seen in the summer months, the Summer Triangle can be found for most of the year. Its location in the sky can actually provide the approximate season, with it rising from the east in May and setting in the west in November. Because this asterism is up for half the year, Lyra's brightest star, Vega, is the base star for a stellar magnitude scale called the Vega Magnitude system. If an object is brighter than Vega, its magnitude will be negative, and if it's dimmer, its magnitude will be positive. This scale measures the star's apparent magnitude, or brightness, rather than its absolute. When talking about stellar magnitude, it's important to know the difference. Apparent magnitude describes how we see the star's brightness from Earth. Absolute magnitude describes the star's brightness as if it were placed 10 parsecs away. That's equal to going around the sun about 7 billion times. Between these two, we find that Vega's magnitude doesn't actually change all that much. Located in the same constellation as Vega is an illustrious deep sky object known as Messier 57, or the Ring Nebula. M57 is classified as a planetary nebula, meaning that it was formed from the death of a star quite like our own sun. While the star ejects its mass, winds from its core blow this gas into space, forming what you see here. Located at the center of the ring is a white dwarf star, which will eventually become the only remnant left of this star system in about 12 to 16,000 years or so. It is one of 4 planetary nebulae found in the Messier catalog. While Vega and Deneb are the brightest stars in these constellations, there are some other famous ones too. Albireo is a double star system that marks the head of Cygnus the Swan and is the 5th brightest system in the constellation. Now, a double star is quite different from a binary star. Binary stars are gravitationally bound with each other, but double stars, like Albireo, aren't and happen to sit in the same area of the sky at different distances. The 2 stars making up this system are Albireo A, which is a yellowish-red star, and Albireo B, which is a blue star. While the unaided eye only sees one star, a small telescope will show them both, and pictures like this one will illustrate the striking difference between these 2 stars. That's it for this week's episode. Come back next week to learn more about what's up in your backyard sky. Hello everyone, these videos are designed to help you identify and see what's up at night. Please feel free to follow along with the real sky, but if that's not an option, you can download an application similar to the one we use to make this video. I can recommend Stellarium as a great place to start. Stellarium is a free software that's available for both computers and mobile devices. So whether using a laptop, a tablet, or a cell phone, you can still follow along. Look for a link in the description.